Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here with a long overdue video of some birthday happy mail from my dear friend Karen Billinger. Hey Karen, thank you so much, my friend. Karen and I have been friends for several years now, and Karen is a moderator in my Facebook group, Angeldreamcrafts, and she's also a moderator here on my YouTube channel. So, we met a long time ago, probably, 3 years ago at least, maybe longer, could be 4, on, I think Amy's channel or my channel, I can't remember, but Amy and I used to do Art Journal Thursdays. And Karen, that's I think where we met Karen, I'm pretty sure. And we've just hit it off ever since then. And she's a lovely, lovely lady. And I'm going to have a link to Karen's channel in the description box down below, so you guys can go over and check out her channel. But I got this happy mail last week, and I've just had a very, very busy week. And I'm so sorry, Karen, it's taken me so long to film it. But I just opened it now. So let me open it and see what's in here, and I cannot thank you enough, my friend. Oh my goodness. And you guys know Karen's work is always so beautiful. I love her work. Oh my gosh. Looks like she made me a bag. Oh, and you added one of your little fairies. Look at this bag. Karen makes these beautiful little flower fairies, and I'm going to bring that up to the camera so you can see it. These are flowers, and then she adds the metal wings, and then it's got some bead caps, pearls, and look at the little flower on her head. Oh my gosh, I love those. That's so pretty, Karen, and she did it all in my favorite colors. And she's added a little rose charm here, and this little charm that says made with love. This is a gorgeous bag. Look at this fabric. I love it. And it smells amazing. It's got all this beautiful lace on it. Oh, Karen, it's beautiful. And look at, she put butterflies on the strings. Oh my gosh, Karen, this bag is gorgeous. I love this flower that you've made. It's lace, tulle, and then a little tiny doily, and then a loopy flower. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it, Karen. Thank you so much. You're the best. You are the best. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Karen also has some beautiful beadwork pieces. Oh my gosh. What did you do? Oh my goodness, there's so many things in here. Oh, flowers! I love flowers. Oh, and there you can see the bag again. Oh, did I drop? Yes, I dropped a flower. 1 second. I dropped a flower. I love this bag, Karen, and I love the little flower fairy. And Karen has a tutorial of these on her YouTube channel, how to make them, I believe. So definitely go over and check them out. So let's do the flowers first because they're here. Look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. And who doesn't love handmade flowers? So she's got lace, and then she's folded some squares of fabric, and then tulle. And oh my gosh, this is all beaded here. This is all her beadwork here that she does. Hopefully you can see that. And then she's got a pearl on top. It's absolutely gorgeous. And Karen also hand crochets as well, which I see one here that she probably hand crocheted. And this is gathered lace. Oh yeah, and this is probably one she made here, this doily. Some eyelash trim, and then she's done some more beading here. Oh, these are gorgeous, Karen. And then here you can see some folded ribbon, and then I'm sure that she crocheted this piece and then did more of her hand beading. And this beautiful burgundy. I love this color. I love this color burgundy, and I know she beaded that. So beautiful. Look at how pretty these are. They're so beautiful. Thank you, Karen. I love them. I love handmade flowers. And this is a beautiful heart that she's made, I believe. Look at this. And she did these butterflies here as well. She hand beaded those butterflies. And all of this that's around the heart, she did that as well. It's gorgeous. I love it, Karen. Thank you so much. I think I'm going to put that on like a cover of a book or something. That's what that would be beautiful for. Oh, and here's another flower that she made. Oh, and I should have opened the card. I'm so sorry. Let me open the card next. Sorry, I got so excited when I saw the flowers. Let me see here. I don't want to wreck the sticker. Aw, look at this. On your birthday. Dear Kim, wishing you a day that's as special as you are. Happy birthday. To my special YouTube friends, thanks for making me smile and inspiring me. Hope your birthday is the start of a fantastic year. Love, Karen. Aw, you're awesome, Karen. That is a really pretty card. And Karen's also a fellow Canadian, too. I love it, Karen. Thank you so much. You are just a very special friend to me as well. Now this is an altered paper clip, and she's got this beautiful charm dangle on the bottom here. And I've got a few more of Karen's altered paper clips that I've been hoarding. But I think I'm just going to do a journal and put them all in one journal. So for me, and keep them all. Oh, I love all these charms and things that you do, Karen. I just don't have the patience to be a beader. I wish I did. This is one of her little fabric mushrooms that she's made. I have not attempted to make one of these yet, but I want to, so thank you for having the inspiration here for me. And she's got cheesecloth on the top and a flower. I have not done this yet, so now I have one in front of me. I can kind of look at it and see what to do with it. I think that might sit right here, right beside my camera, so I can look at it. She's got seam binding, there's flowers, and then she's got like a cardstock piece at the bottom so it can stand up. How cool is that? I love it, Karen. Oh, there's a little butterfly there. Oh, that's so pretty. I have not tried these yet. I know several people have made these, but I want to give it a try, so I love it, Karen. Thank you so much. That's going to have a special place right on my desk here. And then there's a little bag here that I'm guessing Karen made with some beautiful eyelet trim. And we will open this up and see what's in here. If I can get it open. One second. There we go. Oh my gosh, these are flower centers she's made. These are amazing. Oh, look at these. Wow. I love these, Karen. These are gorgeous. Let me just show one at a time here. These are beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. They're so gorgeous. And she's hand beaded all of these. They're absolutely beautiful. I love them. Then there's that little guy. Oh, they're so pretty, Karen. You're amazing. These are so cool. So you've totally inspired me to make some flowers now. And then these two. Look how pretty these are. Wow. Eight flower centers. Karen, these are amazing. Thank you so much. They're beautiful. I love everything you made and sent me. Ah, these are amazing. Those are going to go on some special flowers. Thank you, Karen. You're awesome. You're an awesome lady. Please go over and check out Karen's YouTube channel. You can see how talented she is. And she's a dear, dear friend of mine. I love you, girl. You're awesome. Look at this beautiful bag, too. I will cherish everything you sent. And thank you for my beautiful card as well. And you are definitely a very special friend to me, too, hun. Mwah. Love you, girl. Thank you, Karen. I'll be back with another video soon, guys.